Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 5. Textbook page number 22 and 23. Chapter is for operation and the topic is subtraction. On the page number 22, topic subtraction. Now built up. Question number 1 is subtract mentally. You can also subtract it by mentally. If you can't, so you can solve it on your neat copy. 7,230 minus 20. If you will minus 20, so remember one thing, when you have two digits, so it's mean you will only solve last two digit. 20 minus 30, the answer will be 10. So the answer will be 7,210. Now part B. You have to subtract 200 from 65,300. Now the three digit are the number, so you will subtract only three last digits. So the three last digits are 300, so you have to subtract 200 from the 300. The answer will be 65 and 100, because when you will subtract 200 from the 300, the answer will be 100. Now part C. 2000, it's mean you have to subtract 2000 from this 3000. The answer will be 91,000. 91,000. With the same concept, you have to solve these all questions, or write these all questions on your neat copy. Copy and solve. This question you can also write on your copy. If you don't want, so it's enough to solve it on your textbook. Now there are the digits from ones to million. Now 8,051,000 8,512,478, and you have to subtract from there 262,340. When you will subtract this, 8 subtract 0, the answer will be same 8. 7 subtract 4, the answer will be 3. 4 subtract 3, the answer is 1. 2 subtract 2, the answer is 0. 1 subtract 6. Here you have to take the carry, because you can't subtract 6 from the 1. It will become 11, and here the 4 will remain. 11 subtract 6, the answer will be 5. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and here 8 will come. The answer is 8,250,138. Now with these two questions you have to solve on your textbook. Now on the other page, page number 23, you have the question number 3, subtract. Now it have 8 parts. 150,672 from 8,389,798. Now you have to write it vertically, in the shape of vertically, and subtract the following. Now you can see here your question, part A. Now you have to subtract this value from this value, 8,389,798. Now you have to subtract this 150,672. Now subtract 2 from this 8, the answer will be 6. Again 7 from 9, the answer will be 2. 7 from 6, the answer will be 1. 0 from 9, the answer is 9. Again the answer is 3, 2 and 8. The answer will be 8,239,126. Now with the same concept, you have to solve these all questions on your neat copy. These question number 3 from part A to from to H.